Welcome to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I'm back again with another interesting recipe, and that is the chicken croquettes. Something different, something unique, and let's together make the chicken croquettes. To make the chicken croquettes, here I have taken 1 kg of chicken breast, which I have cut it into pieces. So let's season it with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients together well and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. And friends, if you are new to my channel or hasn't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do it now. I would love to see you in my subscribers list. So let the chicken rest for about 15 minutes. Until then, let's heat about 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. To this, add 4 large chopped onions and saute them till translucent. To quicken the process of sauteing the onions, let's add half teaspoon of salt and mix it well and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. My onions have turned translucent. Add about 2 large chopped tomatoes and saute them till they are meshy. Now add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Give it a quick mix. To this, now add 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander and green chili paste. I prefer it using the paste. If you do not want to do this process, you can straight away add chopped coriander and green chilies. Saute them till the rawness goes. Add the marinated chicken and mix it well. Let your heat be on medium to high at this point. Now to these, add about half cup of water. Not add extra water because the chicken is also will release its water. Mix it well, cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. Once it comes to a boil, add cut pieces of 2 potatoes. Cover it again and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, give it a good mix and cover and cook it again for another 5 minutes or so till the potatoes are well cooked. My potatoes are not cooked as yet, so I will cover it and cook it for another 5 minutes, and after the potatoes are boiled completely, then I will turn off the flame and let the chicken cool completely. You see, my potatoes are completely cooled now. They're nice and meshy. I'll turn off the flame and let it cool down, and as it cools down it will dry up as well. But if it doesn't dry up, then you keep it open and cook for another few minutes. Then put it into a grinder and grind it to a fine paste. Here I have ground my chicken and this is the consistency that I have got. To this, add 1 teaspoon of spice mix and 2 tablespoons of homemade tomato sauce. You can use the market one if you don't have, but the recipe is in my channel. I'll give you a link in the description of the tomato sauce. Now to this, add 1 cup of freshly made breadcrumbs and mix it well and let it rest for a few minutes till the breadcrumbs absorbs the extra moisture. You see, mine is still a little bit of sticky, So I'm going to add about another 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Mix it and let it rest in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Now refrigerating helps in getting nice moldy kind of a consistency to your mixture. Here is my mixture after it has rested into the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Take portions of the mixture and roll it into cylindrical shape as I am demonstrating it to you over here. Mostly croquettes are made of a bite size or so, but here I am making a little larger one for my video. When you are making yours, you may make of a smaller size. See, I have rolled here my croquettes. These are all the croquettes that I have got of my 1 kg, about 50 of them. But since I have made my croquettes a little bigger size, about 10-12, I made a little of bigger size. Otherwise you can get more than that. Now croquettes you can make in advance, 2-3 days in advance and keep. So I'm showing you how I keep my croquettes. Whenever I make croquettes for the parties, I make the croquettes 2 or 3 days in advance and then place them like this. Layer them up in between the silver foil in an airtight container, refrigerate them, or you may even freeze them. Now I have taken 1 egg, beaten it, added a little of salt to it for taste. Dip your croquette in it and roll in semolina. You may also use dry breadcrumbs to roll your croquettes, but I prefer semolina, so I'm using so. To get that perfect finish, roll it in a plate so that you don't get your finger marks on it and you get the perfect croquettes. Do the remaining likewise and you're ready to go. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and do share my videos with your family and friends and try this recipe as well. My oil has been on heat for some time. Now dip your croquettes into the hot oil and fry them till they are golden. Do fry the croquettes on high heat, otherwise they may crack. Frying the croquettes on high heat is very important. If you fry on low heat, they do sometimes crack. My croquettes are ready. Fry the remaining likewise. My firm from outside, soft from inside, delicious chicken croquettes are ready to devour upon. One is never enough. So do try this recipe and enjoy with your family and friends. Friends, let's do the taste test. Here I have my homemade tomato sauce. The link I am giving in the description. Do watch it and try the recipe as well. Yummy! Just can't wait to have them. They are so tasty, friends. I wish I could share with you one of my croquettes, but one is never enough. Do try this recipe at home with your family and friends. Thank you for watching my video. Lots of love from Melita's Delicacies. Best wishes of the new year 2022. God bless. Keep watching Melita's Delicacies for more interesting recipes that I upload every week.